Navigating the dynamic world of WordPress design can be confusing, but understanding the core differences between themes and template kits on Envato is the key to building your dream website. Let's start with WordPress themes. Think of a theme as the foundational blueprint for your entire website's look and feel. It dictates the overall layout, the styling of your content like headings, paragraphs, and buttons, and provides a consistent aesthetic across all your pages. When you install a theme, you're essentially adopting its design system. You can then customize colors, fonts, and certain layout elements within the theme's provided options. Themes are great when you want a cohesive and predefined design that you can tweak to your specific needs, offering a strong underlying structure. Now, let's talk about template kits. Template kits are different. They are more like curated packages of individual page and section designs, often built for specific page builders like Elementor or Beaver Builder. They aren't a replacement for your theme, but rather a powerful design asset that works with your theme. Imagine you love the layout of a specific landing page or a unique blog post design from a template kit. You can import those individual elements directly into your website, giving you incredibly granular control over the design of specific pages or sections, regardless of your theme's core layout. So, the key difference: a theme is your website's overall style guide. Its structural foundation, a template kit, is a collection of predesigned building blocks you can use to construct your pages with incredible flexibility for a unified brand aesthetic. A theme is your primary tool for rapid design implementation and unique page layouts. Template kits offer unmatched versatility. By understanding these distinct roles, you can confidently choose the right tools from Envato to bring your vision to life and build stunning WordPress websites.